Hey guys, so this is the Moto Edge 30 Fusion, and this device is a flagship killer with high refresh rate display and last gen flagship SoC. So yeah, the Edge 30 Fusion comes in this eco-friendly package just like the Edge 30 Ultra. So a really nice initiative. This is how you can save the environment to some extent here, not like what Samsung and Apple is doing. The package contains some manuals and there's a case which is nice, and then comes the Edge 30 Fusion in cosmic grey color option. Yeah, it has a soft matte finish which I like a lot. Yes guys, finally we do have a power brick in the box, and that too a 68 watts adapter with Type-C cable. So without any doubt, a nice package. I like the eco initiative a lot.
Hello Moto.
Now yes, we have a flagship grade curved display which I like a lot.
Women, men and women, both.
This is a 1080p resolution panel which is fine, and best part is it has a 144Hz high refresh rate. So you play games or watch movies or scroll content, it is gonna give a super smooth experience. The icing on cake is not just the flagship level Qualcomm's 888 Plus 5G silicon, which is powerful and power efficient, but that stock pixel-like skin without any add or bloatware. The iconic Moto gestures like chopper flashlight and twist for camera is still there too. Moto has also done some changes in the personalization section. You guys can customize icons, themes, font, shape, size and whatnot. So without any doubt, a fast and clean interface, and yes, gaming is decent on this device. The rear contains triple cameras, so we have a 50 megapixel main wide, 13 megapixel super wide and a filler depth camera. On front, there's a 32 megapixel selfie shooter which can take some sharp shots. Here are some images I shot using this device and can say it can take some nice images. Yeah, I won't say it is the best in class, but decent job overall. Finally, that 68 watts power brick can charge 4400 mAh battery 50% in just 10 minutes, which is fantastic. So a decent package overall for those who love stock skin. It is the best and better option than OnePlus at this price. Summing up, a curved display, high refresh rate, Dolby Atmos, fast charging and a nice finish on back with stock skin on top. This is all guys, thanks so much for watching and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe and peace out.